Hey, what's up? Thank you very much for clicking this video, but before you start to continue the video, don't forget to press the red subscribe button down below and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Thank you. When you meet someone or somebody at school or in the public place or somewhere else, what would you do first? Yep, of course you want to greet them first. Common way to greet a person when we just met them, accidentally or purposely, is by asking their condition. Most people will probably say, "Hey, how are you?" By saying "how are you" means that we want to know how their condition is. Are they feeling good or not? But what you have to know here is, how are you may be a little too old for you. And here's why I'm here for. I'm here to tell you another way to ask condition to other people by not using only "how are you." Let's fix this condition first. You might feeling way better after knowing these expressions. Well, check this out. How's life?
How's life? Tell me, how's your family? How's life? Tell me, how's your family?
You must know this song, ain't you? Yep, this song is belonging to the one and only Taylor Swift. Anyway, this expression is used by lots of people. How's life is just the same meaning as how are you, yet it is like casual. You might want to use this to create a friend of yours, or your brother or sister, or someone close to you.
How's life? Tell me, how's your family?
It seemed that Tyler met some kind of old friend that she didn't see in a while, so she greeted him by saying, "How's life?" So when someone is asking you, "How's life?" you can answer them by saying, "Good" or "Great." How you doing? Another way to greet someone is by saying, "How you doing?" It is actually, "How are you doing?" but they make it more simple and comfy, so they say, "How you doing?" Let's see a short clip.
I know not who you are, nor how I came to find you. What may I just say? Hi. How you doing? The name's Flynn Rider.
Yep, it's Tangled. I bet you know this. In that situation, in that movie, the man in the movie is being chit-chat with the girl. But when someone is saying this expression to you, they probably mean it. So you can answer them by saying, "I'm doing great," or "I'm doing well," or "I'm doing just fine." Means that you are truly okay and there's nothing wrong with you. But if you do in a bad condition or situation, you can say, "I'm bad," or "not so good." How's your day going?
How's your day going? How's your day going?
After saying "how you doing," the man added by saying, "How's your day going?" I kinda like this one. If you met a person in the end of the day, or you chat with them from a phone, or you maybe haven't seen them in a week, the best way to ask their condition is by saying, "How's your day going?" By asking that to a person means that you do care about them. You ask them how were they conditioned during the day. Did they have any trouble? Did they feel good, annoyed, or something else? You want to know how's the day going. So when someone asks you by saying, "How's your day going?" you can reply them by saying, "It was good," or "fantastic." But if nothing's happened, you can say, "Nothing much." But if your day has been so bad, so tough, and so rough, you can say, "It's not going so well," or I got some trouble, but I'm okay though. What's going on? What's going on is actually a way to ask a situation that is happening around. But many people use this expression to ask condition too. What's going on? When you meet one of your friend, just say her name is Miranda, you can ask, "Hey Miranda, what's going on?" When someone says what's going on to you, you can reply by answering, "I'm good." What's up? Yep, I bet everyone knows this one, ain't it? What's up is a very common way to greet someone who close to you. When you meet your friend in the station or in the public place or maybe in the phone call or someone else anywhere, you might want to greet them by saying, "What's up?" But the pronunciation is more likely to, "What's up?" And sometimes it's only, "Sup." Hey, sup. This is a very casual form of greeting someone. If someone greets you by saying, "What's up?" you can answer them by replying, "Good," or "Nothing much." Another way to greet someone is by saying, "How do you do?" But you can only use this to a person you just met, a person that you never met before. And you can reply by saying the same, "How do you do?" Another expression is, "Have you been?" How have you been? Have you been? And you can reply, "I'm doing well," or "Good, thanks for asking," and something like that. There are still a bunch of expressions that you can use to greet someone. After watching this video, I want you to practice the expressions you just heard. We don't want them to be forgotten, ain't we? So the only way to get all over this is by practicing a lot. By keep on practicing, you actually make your skill improved by and by. And here we are, in the end of the video. After watching this video, I want you guys using the expressions that you just heard. Try to develop your skill by using many other expressions so your skill in English can be improved, and I thought that might be the best for all of us. Never feel bored, just keep on practicing and learning. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I want you to keep supporting me by clicking the subscribe button. If you have any suggestion for me, please do not hesitate to let me know. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to click like, and maybe you want to share this to your friends or parents or your other relatives. Thanks again for watching. I will see you to my next videos and see you around.